Three. Jamaica, good life. Yeah. Hey. Shall it be 4? We have after. Yeah, so a whole heap of cleaning up before we go on. A whole heap of cleaning up before we go on. We start play back ball here, so. A whole heap of clean up. Jamaica, good life. So you see today, Unity link up. Today we are gathered and fix up a football field and clean it up. You see me? So we'll link up with the Good Life members. Up my G.
All about the good life.
All about the good life. You see what I'm saying? Everything good. Not no bad. You're fatter.
I already will clean up out there already. You don't know what thing already, you know.
Yeah.
Linga, we always active.
Yeah. Come in. Yeah. Come show them what I go on the football field. Come in.
See what I go on.
You see me? You don't say I work, where I work. I left a chicken at jerk, I said work.
I still something,
yeah.
Chicken and jerk, I still something.
It's still something. So this is our football field over there at work pan.
Yeah.
You know the rain over the last 2 months and mash.
Yeah, man.
You see me, it was a lot of mess. So you see now.
The man they will cut the field and we are talking about now.
I ain't cut the field. Alright, see it there? Because them say we're there.
You want to get some bench and all of them things there and make people can come and sit down and enjoy the match.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. You don't know ball game is a very important thing in the people. So you don't know joy that we just want to keep it going.
Yeah,
and
true.
I see you right now. That keep we going.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Bar, no this and that. Just our ball game.
Yeah,
and that's the thing about. We want to get this over with and deal with it and have some fun today as people can.
Yeah. I feel we look togetherness this. You see me I say? Football, I will play football. We don't miss the cleaning up. You see me? But I'm not going to see the rest of the thing then. You see me? So we're going to link up with every man who play football. Yeah, so every man got chip towards it, put something towards it, so we can get the feedback, work out. Because you know, that's how we always do it, Unity. People don't really see it, you see me, because they don't really highlight the lifestyle that we live it. You see me? So that's how we do it. Because remember, nobody else now do it, so we have to do it to enjoy ourselves. So, a whole heap of fun there. You see me? Jamaica, good life. You see me?
Man.
JG.
You know already, people. Let's link up.
Yeah.
Tune in.
Come you go link up the man them fatter.
The rest of you them all the plate. That's it. You know? Any man can do a little contribution. 50 days, 2 days, any little thing work. Because still is a profit there. Add up. Once can be a 0. Let's start from us and you don't the clean up here.
Can start.
I don't know what I'm here for. again.
Yeah, so
Two this.
so the man charge the 3-5.
IOST.
So we get there. You stay.
Yeah, man.
You don't stay. No matter how small it is.
I want to tell you,
Contribution, them, man.
Yeah, see there?
them money,
Oh, they see the man here with the big chef here.
Them money are the big shot.
JGL thing, see there?
More for put towards.
Alright, JGL. So, we have a start. At least we have a start already. What go on? So where Jack and Dave with them? I'm a defender.
I link up
They are stretch on. Yeah, you see me? We not pressure nobody. You see me? So we know Tino stay. You probably know we are going. You see me? Tino. Yeah, true. We get there. Worry dad. See us there. Heart along. Yeah. Yeah. Jamaica good life. Alright.
So much man are dead for. So much black people are dead.
Hey, we don't know.
So much poor people are dead for.
Oh yeah.
You live in the ghetto. You live up, wise up.
Yeah.
And this we are dealing.
Positive. Yeah.
Youth. Where they go?
Yeah, youth.
Where they go? And this we are dealing with.
The youths.
A youth we are dealing with and life. This we are dealing with.
Life. Yeah. Life. Yeah. Jamaica good life.
Yes, see you them there.
See you them there.
We are collecting the money here, forget the field cutter. Because I tell the youths them a while ago again.
Yeah.
Money thing we are collecting, they don't know. It's a whole heap of things we are buy a bib. Normally with the skins and shirt.
Yeah.
A bib we are going to official.
Official, we are doing the thing now, you see
Buy
me?
some net for the goal them as well.
Yeah. Alright, the money we used to wear skins that talk about mosquito.
So nobody can have no complaint.
Yeah, get some things. Yeah, man,
have Ghana flag have a whole heap of thing like that.
Yeah, you know what I forgot? I'm gonna finish.
Make a good life.
You see me? You want some black card for show for Mark at the film.
Comedy thing, you know. A real life thing we are talking about. That's the name Jamaica.
Good life.
Walker.
Got to work to get the pay.
Yeah, man. But people not tune in to the thing, you see?
Yeah.
Big up.
Like and subscribe. See Amanda donate fatter. Eat the fatter. All about the good life. Yeah, hard feed.
The girl them see and Allah. Them all out Jaja. Jaja, Jaja. In a me fresh white tees, Louis V's, straight jeans, Nikes. That me a beat.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know it's Jabber representing for Good Life, Jamaica.
Hot
Come and
feet.
check it out. Hot feet, yeah.
The
For
feet.
my ladies. Your brand new song coming out soon. So, check it out. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, where are them say donation to the whole nation?
Oh.
Hot feet, yeah. For my ladies.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you don't know the thing going on. Good life.
Yeah.
We live good life out here, so come and check it out. Well, I'm out.
I'm out.
Yeah, man, we'll go up the stretcher now and book up on the next baller.
Yeah.
The next baller, yeah. We win the finals last night.
Yeah.
Don't know. Look out for him on the TV.
I heard the yarn. You saw in final last night?
Yeah, man, thank you so far. Western Sports, they do.
Yeah.
My contribution to the cut in the field.
Yeah.
We have to keep it real.
You have to keep it real. Say so. Then.
Yeah, that's a forward.
Come here, Raja.
Yeah, where's the forward?
Yeah. Let them know. Yeah. Celebrate this, Raja. Sound.
Yeah, man, I'm me, man, Mr. Cross, aka Cross Bling Bling Dog.
Yeah. Raja. Give them away. Just go on. Then.
Yeah.
Pardon, see me a paper. Everything. Jamaica Good Life.
Good life program, you know. You have to hear something good each and every day, you know. Your life be good. So, you see? Yeah, man.
Today, blessing fire.
I do the right thing every day, you know.
Yeah.
Energy where you put out, that you get it, you know. You see, you put out negative energy, you get it. If you put out good energy, you get it.
Get it, straight.
Yeah, so it's a good life.
It's a good life. Snacks and things.
Yeah,
Yeah, every little thing.
Yeah, it's a
The ball
good shop,
field.
you know.
One charge, you look
Snack shop. Yeah, man.
Everything. So see there,
Everything.
we should have
Yeah,
go on
man.
and then snack shop.
Yeah, man.
See there, yes, so we chill more
Yeah,
time.
man.
Every little thing is
Yeah,
here.
man.
So still I try.
Man.
And the ball field are gonna start out, you know.
Yeah, but it don't play ball, you know.
Yeah, so it's a
Contribute to the
collection.
ball field, you don't know.
Oh,
You need to 100.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
we there.
everything is after read somewhere as we tell you, see there, we start off from $50 this morning and watch it now.
Yeah, almost there.
Alright.
See the contribution to the ball field. So get in there.
Yeah.
Man like Raja is here,
Yeah,
so
man.
get him on the video.
So, you don't know if Raja in the US.
Raja Pound. No, a Pound one, but no.
You know, that's why you want me up. You Brad, disgusting.
I say, man,
Yeah.
it's a good life.
Let's get 100 for them.
Yeah. Follow him. Let's follow him.
like 100
Yeah.
US.
Well, I'm gonna get my drink.
Euro. Tell the people them. Yeah.
Euro.
Jamaican. Look at it.
Yeah. 100 euro.
And on it. And when you're done before, yeah, come here, done before, let's say for you.
Yeah. Right there. So what come on? Here we come.
Right.
Is it?
History is here. No doubt about it.
Alright. See, may the people them say
We just talk about him in
Just
Jamaica
talk
good
about
life.
Yeah, man, about them say, you know, Jamaica good life. Everyone
Give
can.
them a bad chat before you left.
Yeah.
Every shot last, you better wake it up MC. Wake up better.
Mad move, no sad move. Jamaica good life. That's a glad move. I'm out.
I'm out.
Princess was her birthday.
I should want to say something to
I'm
the
wishing you
camera.
happy birthday.
So I'm wishing you a happy birthday. So,
Jamaica
Okay. Fireman Dude as well as the next ball of this, you know, the thing. You don't know.
Yeah.
I do a contribution to
Luge.
the ball field.
Good life.
good life.
Shop, restaurant, everything there.
Yeah. So you done.
Good life.
Good life. So the man have them restaurant in a place. You see me, Itals shoe. You see me, a veggie chunks. You see me. I have some rice and peas that go on there now. You see me, so. You see me? Food and drinks, everything. Same day I go, it's a rice and peas. I like it positive. Give them a positive message with a positive vibes. So they know say it's Jamaica. Good life.
A good life, man. So you know, so you have to live the good life. It's it.
Yeah.
Keep it real.
Which is right. So you play ball later, don't you?
Yes, I'm up and running, man.
Oh, well, get up and run, you know, man. You know your thing, though.
Strength.
Strength.
Alright, big up. Oneness, see?
Oneness, yeah.
Set speed. Yeah.
Waka is here.
Walker.
So have no fear. Ring, ring. Waka is here. Ball field.
Yeah. You don't know, get the program started.
Yeah.
You don't know, so we have to finish it. Waka
Yeah.
man, put it for we now. We have to know, so yeah, and we get ourselves a unity.
Yeah.
Ball field. Yeah.
JGL. See it here? So the JGL team. Yeah. Go on, Bolo. Go on, Bolo.
TV with this, see me?
Yeah.
All of the ball of them this, you don't know.
Clean up.
A good reputation as you can see, you see it?
Yeah.
This man in the field was a disaster.
Yeah. So the whole of we are saying, so the whole of we are saying Jamaica good life. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Jamaica good life. Yeah. Yeah.
Tell you.
Yeah. Unity.
In a whole heap of work this morning for the field can cut, go around and collect a little half. What's up?
Yeah.
You want call?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Do a whole heap of work. Right now I'm kind of tired still, I'm not like, but I go back.
Catch me now, okay? Go the ball.
Yeah, see the ball there? Yeah, man. The ball there. You man do the thing in the people. You see me? Yeah, man. Look how see.
Keep the life up.
Alright. The ball there.
Yo, give me a touch, give me a touch there. I want to feel, look, really. How we are playing,
Yeah, man, people see him there. I man do the thing, man, people, as you can see. You see there? Only pass skill him have, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See there?
Good life.
Good.
to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.